So for this last video, we're going to go ahead and compile and run our entire project. So the first thing I'm going to do is open up the Cygwin terminal, and I'm going to go to my D drive, ls. I'm going to go into sub software, and I'm going to go ahead and run this make all. But actually, before I do that, we need to update one of our sub modules because it was giving us an error beforehand when I was compiling this my first time around. So we're going to do a get sub module update init. So it's going to go ahead and update that libs Google test. Okay, and now that it did that, you'll see that you have this make all executable here. That's what the asterisk is for. And then we're going to run the Cygwin run all. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to do the make all. It should look something like this. Alright, it was able to identify the C compiler. If you get this Python issue, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, it's almost done. And then we have one last command to run, which is the /Cygwin run all. Okay, so I'm going to do private networks, allow access. Perfect. So here's our GUI. So we're able to get video input. Looks like some of the AUV settings. You can look through here. It says the AUV is running. Really nothing's connected though. Here's our telemetry display. I would imagine this would be like our mission planner. Here's our IP addresses. This would be like the robot and then our computer. And then we would go ahead and you can also see this in the back. This will just tell you the status. I would imagine position. This is your gyro. VBAT means I would say like power. Feels like we're going to use like, it's going to show us the voltage. Yeah, and then probably the status of our motors, how much they're working. So all that good stuff. So yeah, once you get this far, we're pretty much done.